This here is the Old Town Bazaar, and it's connected to the Al Jadida district as well, which is actually the new part of the city, the first settlement that took place after people moved from the old town. So this is the Al Jadida, and they have a shuttle service. I just parked my car in the north side. There are nice sitting areas, cafes, and let's see what we find further down. They have photo booths, cafes. So we were at the new town, Al Jadida, which literally means new in Arabic. So we are in the new town, which is here, and now we are walking into the old town's bazaar, not the old town. Old town is just beside that, and you might have seen a video of it already. Let's go into the old town bazaar and see what it's like inside. That was the entrance, and the first few meters is full of those shops on either side. And then let's see, I can see a little bit further as well, and I think it's going to be a walk, but it's a pleasant walk with this temperature and this time of the season. It's a very pleasant experience. This place is full of cultural heritage shops. You can find souvenirs and many other cultural items, including some miniatures of rock formations of AlUla. Even I saw a miniature of the elephant rock. So if you are interested in those kind of things, and if you are visiting AlUla, I think this is the spot to buy those things. These are restaurants and a lot of souvenir shops. Okay. This part of the street or the walkway, the bazaar, the Old Town Bazaar, is said to be the actual bazaar that existed along with the Old Town. Now they are now trying to rebuild or renovate the Old Town, as well as establish this place again as a bazaar. Of course, the place is marvelous. Like, your experience walking in this place is very serene. You'll enjoy a calm walk. It's not loud or kind of noisy like other bazaars. No, They have tried their best to add a touch of luxury as well, because you'll find boutique shops at this bazaar. So yeah, the overall vibes are nice. Behind me is the restaurant that is very close to the Old Town entrance. I might have shown you a couple of shots at this restaurant, and I don't know if you can see or if you'll be able to see in this video, but it's very close to a mountain, a rocky mountain, which is way higher than this, but the only part we can see now is the part that is lit green. But this is the same mountain range that you saw in the Old Town day tour video. I'm in Al Jadida district. This is the new settlement or the new area where the old town people came and settled. We are walking towards the main road. This place is known as the Oasis Square. I don't know why it's called so, but let's see why they call it the Oasis Square. I don't know where this leads to, but definitely a place to come and enjoy a cup of coffee. Wow, I think this place is a never-ending place of surprises. I believe the Oasis is an area of old homes, maybe farms, gardens. I cannot see, it's too dark. I'm seeing just what you guys are seeing as well, but a lot of cafes and beautifully lit paths or pathways, you can say. I'm just thinking, should I keep going, or because if it's just cafes and all that, maybe I can come some other day, because I'll be here another 2 nights probably, and I have enough time. Okay, now I think I'm kind of lit up. So guys, with that, I'd like to end the video. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like, share and subscribe, and hit that bell notification icon so that you'll be notified of my next video. And stay tuned for my next adventure at AlUla, and it's going to be a good one.